Solve the below quadratic equation by factorization method. 54a square plus 27a minus 105 is equal to 0. So for this purpose we will factorize 54 and 105. Factorizing 54 is equal to 9 multiplied by 6 and 105 is equal to 15 multiplied by 7. Now if we multiply 15 with 6 and 9 with 7, we will get 15 multiplied by 6 is equal to 90 and 9 multiplied by 7 is equal to 63. Let's check if we subtract 63 from 90, we will get 27. So we can replace 27a is equal to 90a minus 63a in the equation. Therefore 54a square plus 90a minus 63a minus 105 is equal to 0. So taking common 18a into 3a plus 5 bracket close minus 21 bracket 3a plus 5 bracket. So 18a bracket 3a plus 5 minus 21 bracket 3a plus 5. Now taking common 3a plus 5 in the equation, we will get 18a minus 21a bracket close bracket 3a plus 5 bracket close equal to 0. Now taking common 3, we will get 3 into 6a minus 7 bracket close into 3a plus 5 is equal to 0. Dividing both sides of equation by 3, we will get 6a minus 7 into 3a plus 5 is equal to 0. So 6a minus 7 is equal to 0 and also 3a plus 5 is equal to 0. So let's get the value of both equation. First 6a minus 7 is equal to 0 and 6a is equal to 7, because taking minus 7 to the other side of the equation, it will get plus 7. So a is equal to 7 divided by 6, because dividing both sides by 6. Now 3a plus 5 is equal to 0. So 3a is equal to minus 5, because taking plus 5 to the other side of the equations, we will get minus 5. So a is equal to minus 5 divided by 3, because dividing both sides by 3. So the value of a is equal to minus 5 divided by 3 and 7 divided by 6 is our answer.